Daad community. Yesterday we discussed what is the role of blockchain in e-commerce, and today I am discussing about the blockchain security, cost efficiency and transparency that can have various benefits for e-commerce, such as improving the security and privacy. Blockchain can protect e-commerce transactions from fraud, hacking and identity theft by using the encryption and digital signatures. It can also give customers more control over their personal data and preferences and reduce the risk of data breaches and leaks. Reducing costs and fees. Blockchain can eliminate the need for intermediaries such as banks, payment processors, and platforms that charge fees and commissions for facilitating e-commerce transactions. It can also lower the operational cost of e-commerce businesses by automating processes such as inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer service. Enhancing transparency and trust, blockchain can provide a verifiable and immutable record of e-commerce transactions from the origin of the products to the delivery of the order. It can also enable customers to review and rate the products and services they purchase and reward them for their loyalty and feedback. This can increase the transparency and trust between e-commerce businesses and customers and improve the customer satisfaction and retention. There are some of the ways that blockchain can innovate the e-commerce industry, as it can help e-commerce businesses and customers to benefit from more secure, efficient, and transparent online shopping experiences. Thanks for watching. If you are new, please subscribe and share Daad Academy and e-commerce mastery channel and ask questions in the comment section. In the next video, we will discuss what are some examples of blockchain based e-commerce platforms. Take care and bye bye. See you in the next video.